Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167.
For the official National Weather Service forecast for Santa Ana Mountains and foothills today. Sunny in the morning, becoming partly cloudy. High is 46 to 51. Areas of winds 30 miles an hour, becoming 25 miles an hour.
Let's see who activated for the test.
Friday night, mostly clear.
This one did.
Lows 37 to 44.
This one did.
Areas of winds northwest 15 miles an hour. Gusts to 25 miles an hour overnight. Saturday.
A whole bunch of radios activated for this test. Thanks to the Zone Guards, Eton weather radios activated for this test, and the Midland WR300 and the Midland WR400 activated for the test as well, and the WR120, which is not activated in a while. And I bet these two activated as well, but I'm going to go ahead and see what's happened for today's test. But yeah, according to what I've seen on the test, all the weather radios did activate except for the First Alert WX-167, the Sangian CL100, the 12-249. I'm not too sure if I heard this activate. Both Midland WR100s. I think I heard this go off. And I heard this go off, so I think this did activate. And the last ones that didn't go off were the handhelds because I had them turned off. But anyways, that was a pretty good test. I wasn't even expecting the alert works to go off after it gets pretty bad reception. I mean, it gets good reception right now, I guess, but...
The evening then becoming partly cloudy. Slight chance of showers.
But yeah, that's basically it. I mean, this probably could have gone off, however, I'm not able to tell if it's gone off. I can only tell if it's able to go off if it's a video recording, because I have not set up this thing where you can actually cause this to go off for required weekly tests, unlike the WR 500, or the WR 100 version 5. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, that's basically it.